Hi, I'm Ben from Alliance Concrete Pumps. Today we're going to be talking about the recommended service intervals for your filters on your concrete pump. The first 100 hours of pumping is considered the break-in period. So after that first 100 hours, we ask that you replace the boom filter and the suction filter. After the first 100 hours, you'll be replacing the boom filter and the suction filter every 250 hours of pumping. And after every 500 hours, you'll be replacing the return filter, or every year. So if you don't pump very often and after 1 year you haven't made up 500 hours, we still ask that you replace that return filter to keep your concrete pump operating as intended. If you ever find that the indicators on any of your filters are in the red area, we ask that you would also replace them then to just keep ensuring that everything runs smoothly. If you don't end up replacing your filters at the recommended intervals and it does get into that red area, what will happen is the filter will enter bypass mode, and any debris that would be caught by the filter is instead just going to circulate throughout the whole pump, which can cause a significant amount of damage. So it's very important that you do change these filters on time. You can find all of the regular service intervals on the Alliance Concrete Pumps website on the service support section. If you scroll down, there is a listing for a spreadsheet that you can download. If you have any questions, feel free to call us.